All right, friends. Yeah, um, I return again for consumer and producer supply. Yeah, we've looked at the interaction between the consumer and the producer in the market. I want to talk about the demand and supply. And then there are some other interesting concepts you may need to know about the consumer and the producers. The consumer and the producer suppliers. Okay, so at times, as a consumer, go to the market with something in your mind. Yeah, yeah. When you go to the market, there will always be some amount of money you're willing to spend or to pay for, whatever you're going to buy. But you can reach the market and you find uh, good news, if I may say. You find that the prices are probably sold at a lower price than you expected. Then what happens is you're going to gain, and that gain is what you call the consumer surplus. Okay? So you're saying this is the amount of money the consumer would pay less than he or she actually pays for the quantity of the commodity purchased. What you're willing to pay and what you actually pay. The difference between what you're willing to pay and what you finally pay for the consumer surplus, and it happens a lot. You go to the market, you want to buy jeans. In your mind, you think jeans are at 100,000. Get shock, you reach the market, you find the jeans at 60,000. So you save something, you get some surplus. So the difference between what you're willing to pay and what you actually pay is what you call the consumer surplus. Okay? So if you still maximize the consumer will consume a commodity up to the point where the consumer surplus over the last purchased is equal to zero. I'll talk about utility maximization in our next chapter of consumer behavior. Talk about utility maximization about when but just to give a hint, when talk about utility, think about the satisfaction in life from constant of a commodity or a good result. That satisfaction in life when you consume a good result. So this consumer surplus can be determined from a schedule. You can calculate and get the consumer surplus, and we'll see how we can even identify the consumer surplus on a graph. So we have an example. This is the price, this is the quantity. At 60, consumers willing to buy 0. Okay? At 50, recall we say the higher the price, the lower the quantity money. I guess you can see it here. At 50, you're willing to buy 4 units. At 40, you're willing to buy 6 extra units. Okay? At 30, you're willing to buy 8 extra units from 10 to 8. Then at 20, you're willing to buy these 6 extra units and so on. Okay. So we are going to see, so the question is, given that the market price is 30, determine the consumer surplus, right? This is what we were expecting. Well, this is what we had in mind, what we were willing to pay at a given point. Assuming the market price is 30, assuming the market price is 30, this one, let me try to write to make it unique. Okay, 30, that's 30, and this may be unique. Assuming the market price is 30, we're talking about that price you find really in the market. If it's 30, what will be the consumer? So we can do simple calculations in this case. Yeah, so what you're going to do in this case, you're going to compute what the consumer would have paid at every moment. Okay? That will aid us to know how much the consumer would have paid, and then we'll calculate what the consumer actually paid. And then we'll get the difference between what the consumer was willing to pay and what he actually paid. And that will give us our consumer surplus. So you're saying the consumer would have paid 60 times 0, and she actually paid 30 times 0. Recall the market price is 30. We're going to be comparing what the person would have paid and what the person actually paid. Okay? Would have paid at 60, recall the person was to get 0. But still, even if the price is that at that moment, the person will get 0. Okay? And then at 50, the consumer would have paid 50 times 4. When the price is 50, when the price is 50, the person would have paid 50 times. We're going to be calculating while writing down, noting down. You get 60 times 0 to get what the person was willing to pay, plus 50 times 4, plus, okay, at 40, here we are going to get the difference. Yeah, at 40, the person would have paid for the 6 extra units. So, yeah, or the person would have gotten the 6 extra units from 46, from 40 to 10 at 40. So here we would still get 6 times 40 together, and then here we would get the difference, which is 8 times 30. We'll stop at the market price. Yeah, so that's why the person was waiting to to pay. That's what the person was waiting to pay. That's what the person was waiting to pay. Okay, that's what the person was waiting to pay. Okay, I repeat. Just a minute. I was in the next if you could wait for me like 5 to 10 minutes. I thank you. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's the willingness. I repeat, at 60, the person would have gotten 0. So I get 60 times 0. At 50, the person would have gotten 4. So I get 50 times 4. But here we won't say 10. We'll get the extra. So we'll be using the differences. 10 minus 4 is 6. We'll get 6 times 40. 18 minus 10, which is 8. I get 8 times 30. So I put all those together. Together to get the willingness, what the person have, what the person was willing to pay. And then to get what the person actually paid, I will get 0. And if I record the market price is 30, then we will use the market price. 30 times 0, 4 times 30, this minus this 6 times 30, and then this minus 10 is 8 times 30 altogether. Or in simple term, the person, you can just get 30 times 18. Get what the person actually paid. You can just get 30 times 18. Get what the person actually paid. Right? So now we're going to get the difference. Alright? The question would have paid 60 times 4 and she paid 30 times 4. The question would have paid 50 times 4 is equals to 200 for the first 4 units. Although she actually paid 30 times 4, which is 110. Alright? She would have paid 50 times 4. Recall 50 is the assumed price there. But what the actual price was, that the person would have paid this, and the person actually paid that. The consumer would have paid 40 times 6 for the 6 units. Yeah, and that's from unit for units from 5, 6 to 10. Right? So you just get the difference between 10 and 4. You just subtract 10 minus 4, you get 6. The person that paid this, but the person actually paid that. Would have paid for the extra 8 units. And then I said you get 18 minus 10. Would have paid 30 times 8, and the actual paid 30 times 8, which is 240. So we now put together what the person would have paid, which is 200 plus 40 give us the total amount actually minus what the person would have paid. I mean what the person actually paid. 120 plus 180 plus 540 is 100. The person would have was willing to pay 680, but he actually pays 540. Would have paid 680, but actually pays 540. So the difference between these two is what we call our consumer surplus. Minus 1.5. Actually, to get what the person actually paid, you may not need to go into this minus this and then multiply. You can just get the market price and the amount the person will pay at that price. And in this case, we use 30 times. Okay, that's the consumer surplus. So the consumer surplus can also be determined using the demand curve. What is called using the demand curve. The person is consuming 2-1. This is price, this is quantity. The person is consuming 2-1. Yeah, consuming 2-1. altogether. And so we are seeing that if the consumer purchases quantity Q1, which satisfaction will be. So the total satisfaction, if I get Q1, the satisfaction is 0A, this entire thing is 0A C Q1. 0A C Q1. That's the satisfaction. And the cost, the person will calculate that satisfaction is 0 B C Q. The satisfaction is this bigger area, 0 A C Q1, and then the cost is 0 B C Q1. So the difference between 0 A C Q1 and 0 B C Q1 is our consumer. When I get this bigger element minus this cost, the remaining part, which is the shaded part, is our consumer. And so graphically, the consumer surplus will be the shaded. The illustration, the consumer purchase quantity, that will be the satisfaction. The expenditure will be that. Therefore, the consumer surplus is given by the total equity less than total expenditure. Area B, BSC, BSC. And recall if you go back, our area BSC is this. This one is area BSC. That's one. I want this one to be same. Let me touch 1, 2. Something like great in it. Okay. So this part BSC is our consumer surplus. And let's come about the consumer surplus. Difference between the total amount the household will pay and the amount actually pays. Now we can talk about the producer surplus. Yeah. If we like we've seen for the consumer, the that amount will be willing to pay. And what you actually pay. Yeah, so the difference between what you're willing to pay and what you actually pay. So even for the producer, there is that advantage. Yeah. And I said this refers to the excess of the producer's receipts by the minimum that would have been paid to produce a given quantity. In simple terms, as a producer, you would also be having some amount in your mind. Now, let's say you have you've produced um, your your pineapples. Yeah? In your mind, you are willing to take 1,000 per pineapple. That's what you are willing to take. But reaching the market, you find that pineapples are 3,000. Yeah. So that means you're going to get more than what you're willing to. So the difference between what you actually get and what you would have accepted is what we call the producer supply. Surplus, not supply. That's with surplus. Producer surplus, not supply, just be surplus. That's the producer's surplus. Please can read more about the producer's surplus. They have told you you're having some price in mind, what you're willing to accept in order to produce. But reaching there, you find when gods are done for you something, you would have never thought of. Maybe the price has doubled, has tripled. When you go to get more than you would have accepted. That difference is what they call the producers surplus. So please can read more about. Can read more. Thank you very